Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data visualization site with Tableau, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Tableau installed on your computer. Open Tableau and select Connect to Data on the home screen. Choose the data source you want to visualize. This could be a file like Excel, SQL database, or a cloud service. Once you've connected to your data, Tableau will display the Data Source tab. Here, review your data and make sure everything looks correct. Drag and drop the fields you're interested in onto the rows and columns shelves. This will create a basic visualization from your data selections. Explore different chart types by clicking on the Show Me panel. Experiment with various visualizations to see how they best represent your data. Adjust the filters to refine the data you want to display. You can also sort and group your data for more clarity. Next, click on the Worksheet menu to add additional sheets if needed. Each sheet can hold a different aspect of your data visualization. Make sure to name each sheet appropriately for easy navigation. Once you are satisfied with your charts, go to the Dashboard tab. Drag your sheets into the dashboard area to arrange your visualizations. Use the sizing and formatting options to enhance the look of your dashboard. You may want to add text boxes for titles and descriptions. Consider incorporating interactive elements like filters and highlight actions. Preview your dashboard to see how it will look to viewers. Make any necessary adjustments for improved readability and functionality. Finally, save your work by selecting File and then Save As. Choose a location on your computer or publish it directly to Tableau server. Once published, share the URL with anyone who needs access to your data visualization site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.